Welcome to the NetSuite Suite Success Financials First Standard Edition. We're going to very quickly demonstrate how to create a customer invoice and accept payment to demonstrate a very simple order-to-cash process in NetSuite. We'll start from a sales order that's ready to be billed. Notice that the order is in a status of pending fulfillment, but I have selected the preference to allow me to bill this order in advance of fulfillment in order to keep this demonstration moving along. So let's just bill the sales order and see what happens next. I'll click the blue Bill button in the upper left under the company name. Notice that the invoice record is created automatically from the content on the sales order and customer record without any new data entry. If I click the down arrow on the blue Save button, we see the option of Save an Email. Since I didn't enter an email address when I created this customer, but I know the email address where I want to send the electronic invoice, I'll just choose that option for now. I click on Save an Email and enter the email address to which I want the invoice to be routed. Notice that NetSuite automatically navigates my cursor to the To Be Emailed box under the Communications tab on the invoice. When I type the email address in the text box, it will automatically send the invoice via email once I click Save an Email. We've now entered a new customer and invoiced a sales order. Let's see how I can accept payment to relieve the outstanding AR balance created by the invoice. Notice that the invoice has a button labeled Accept Payment below the invoice number at the top of the form. Click that button and I'll see the options I have for payments from my new customer. I'll click Accept Payment. At the top or header of the payment transaction, I have the opportunity to select which cash account I want the payment to affect and which AR account will be relieved as well. Down at the bottom of the form, I can see the list of invoices open for this customer. Since they're new, there's only one, and it's automatically checked for the payment to be applied directly to that invoice. I'll navigate to the Payment Method subtab on the lower left of the form by clicking on the Payment Method text in the blue menu bar. I see a variety of payment methods are available from cash to Visa or EFT and so on. I'll go ahead and select Check and enter the check number to keep things simple. I'll then click on the blue Save button in the upper left. Okay, we've created the customer, entered an order, invoiced and received a payment. Let's circle back to our dashboard and see if our numbers have changed. When we click on the house icon in the blue menu bar in the top left of the page, we can already see that the number of new customers has moved up one due to our activity. We'll mouse over the leftmost icon in the menu bar that looks like a clock face and click on the customer record I just finished creating. At the bottom of the form, the lower blue menu bar has a Sales tab. I'll go ahead and click there. You can see in the sublist of transactions there are the related sales order, invoice, and payment transaction records that we just created. As I do business with my customers over time, NetSuite will continue to track what items are being purchased within the related transactions, as well as all the financial metrics around profitability and other financial information regarding this relationship. The ability to take all of that information and provide a 360-degree customer view provides tools I'll need to keep that relationship healthy and strong over the lifetime of doing business together. That concludes our very brief look at a simple Financials First purchasing to payment process.